To preview what your gallery will look like, you can flip through some of the items listed in the template browser. Now, before you click on any of these, just look in the preview area. You'll see a small preview of what each template looks like as you hover your mouse over each one. For the purpose of this lesson, let's go ahead and select the charcoal template. This is likely one of the most popular Lightroom gallery templates available. With our template selected, we can now move on to the right panel group where a number of other configuration settings can be found. Before we explore these panels, make sure you have each one visible on your screen. Right-click on any panel heading and place a check mark next to each one of these items here. The first panel gives us the ability to select from different layout styles. For example, grid gallery, classic gallery, square, and track. I'll go back to the classic gallery. That's the one we'll be working with for the purpose of this lesson. If you're unable to find a suitable template from what Lightroom offers, you can click this button here, Find More Galleries Online, and you'll be taken to the adobe.com add-ons website. And here you can find some additional templates. Keep in mind that not all these templates are free, and some of them range between $20 to $30. The Site Info panel allows us to customize various headings on our template, starting with the site title, which appears over here. Let's go ahead and change this to My First Web Gallery. I'll leave the collection title as it is, My Photographs. Next is the collection description, and I'll go ahead and change this. And there it is. You can see the new text updated here. You can also update your contact information and email address. So I'll go ahead and just plug in John Smith. When your contact name is clicked on over here, the web page will open up the user's email client, and the default recipient address will be the email address that you input into this field here. So make sure you leave mail to, and then you can just put the email address. Now keep in mind that this only works if the user has a mail client configured on their system. So for example, Microsoft Outlook. We have the option of putting our identity plate heading at the top of our template. If you'd like to do that, place a check mark in there and you'll see it shows up, My Photography Studio. Remember that you can edit your identity plate by clicking on the arrow over here and selecting Edit. It's just like when we worked with the other modules, so nothing new there. The identity plate heading will also link back to your gallery's home page. So each time a user clicks on any one of these images, it takes them to a separate page with an expanded view of the image. For them to return back to the gallery, they'd either need to click Index over here, or they could click My Photography Studio. And that's what this link is all about here, index.html. This index.html represents your home page, which is this page here, with all your thumbnails.